Good evening everyone, I am Deca de Trevilla. So today, we are tasked by our instructor Sir J.O. Minis to discuss to you how to solve arithmetic and geometric sequence. So, arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers where the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So this is the formula for arithmetic sequence, and this is the problem. 12, 17, 22, and 27, and the blank is the fifth term, which is we're gonna solve. So first we're gonna find the common difference. What's the common difference? So 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 5 is equals to 22. 22 plus 5 is equals to 27. So its common difference is 5. So we're gonna find the fifth term. So we're using the formula a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 common difference. So this is the fifth term. So a sub n, or we're gonna find the n represents the fifth term. So a sub 1 is the 12 plus n is the fifth term. So 5 minus 1, and the common difference is 5. So a sub 5 is equals to 12. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Bring down 5. So a sub 5 is equals to 12 plus 4 times 5 is equals to 20. So a sub 5 is equals to 12 plus 20 is equals to 32. So this is the fifth term, 32. So 27 plus 5 is equals to 32. So let's proceed to the geometric sequence. So geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers in which term is found by a constant called common ratio by multiplying the previous term. So we have here 7, 21, 63, 189, and we're gonna find the fifth term. So first we're gonna find the common ratio. So 7 times 3 is equals to 21. 21 times 3 is 63. 63 times 189 is 63 times 3 is 189. So the common ratio here is 3. So the common ratio here is equals to 3. Common ratio. So this is the formula for geometric sequence. So a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus parenthesis and open and close parenthesis r to the power of n minus 1. So a sub n represents the fifth term, which is what atong ipangita. So a sub 5 is equals to a sub 1 is the 7, the first term, and the common ratio, which is the 3, and it's to the power of n is the fifth term, so 5 minus 1. So we're just gonna solve this. So a sub 5 is equals to 7, 3. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So a sub 5 is equals to 7. 3 times to the power of 4 is equals to 81. So 81. So a sub 5 is equals to 7 times 81 is equals to 567. So our fifth term is 567. Okay. Thank you.